Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the iPad Air front glass Digitizer touch panel in a full assembly set. As you can see, the screen or the front glass of the iPad Air is broken. As to fix this, we will need first step a glass, a new front glass, and of course a digitizer touch panel. And this is in this box here. And it's not only the box, there's more inside. There is a fixed kit included. This iPad Air front glass digitizer touch panel full assembly includes the small parts and adhesives pre-installed in the assembly, saving time and increasing the quality of your screen repair. Yeah, that's right, because it does all matches. I tested it out. It comes with an iPad adhesive, a black home button, front-facing camera bezel, all in the box, and a fixed kit included. And the fixed kit includes iFixitâ iOpener. This is an awesome tool, a tablet opening tool designed to apply heat directly and evenly to case components joined with adhesive. Once the adhesive is softened with that appearance by the iOpener, the adhesives can be sliced using the many tools included in the iOpener kit. That toolkit is designed special for the iPad, but works with all other tablets, smartphones, or other electronic needing heat application in the disassembling process. And I tested it. This is really nice. I perform the iPad front panel changing in another video, and you can see it works. It is a much work, but it matches all of this box. Easy going. So that it is. This is the glass, and it's the blank home button in there, and its front-facing camera bezel. The only thing you have to change is the old things on the right and on the left side at the inlet of your home button. This you have to move to the new glass. The other things are pre-installed on this device. All glues, all labels, everything is there. This is nice, and it makes a good touch sensitive surface, and it comes with a little box, a standing box, and there you can make a better feeling in the disassembling and assembling action. So there is the iOpener toolkit. Includes the iOpener, a Spudger opening tool, opening picks, a set of picks. And opening picks are like plectrums, plastic cards, battery blocker, section handle, tweezers, and iFixit precision bit driver, Phillips 00 bit, and a SIM eject bit. This is a lot of tools to disassemble and assemble so many parts. For example, the iPad parts, of course, but all other devices you can disassemble and assemble with this set too. And this is awesome. You buy it only one time. You can use it so many times after this. This makes this set cheaper. With this iOpener tool, let's produce some hot surface. And how we get this surface? That's so easy, really. You only have to put the iOpener into your microwave oven. Set the microwave oven to 1 minute. That is enough to make it heat up, and it holds the energy inside for about, I think, 5 minutes. And you can lay down it on the surface, on the sides, on the edges of your iPad or some other tablet devices, and it's job's done. It's easily. And the other part was to make the battery plug off, but only temporary. You only slide it in position, then the battery is blocked, and you can work easily in there. These are the plectrums, opener picks. You will need all of them if you are disassembling a tablet, because a tablet had 1, 2, 3, 4 edges, and of course there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and you need one each side and one each edge. That means 3, 6, 8. Up to 8 are important, but I do not know what is this. Why a plastic card? I don't know why plastic cards are included in this set. I thought I don't know, really. And you have to use this box really smooth and gentle. This is important because you can make so many damage on your device. You have to go smooth and gentle. And of course, the iOpener is not to make about 2 minutes in the micro oven, because then it burns. That is important. You do not overheating this device. Only put it in the micro oven for 1 minute. This is enough. Then push it on top of your glue area, and this glue will melt a little bit, and then it's easier to extract all this glue display or this glass protection thing. So that it is. This all is included, and this will make a better disassembling and assembling of your iPad Air. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Thun thun.